Okay, so lost my chains today. Luckily, I got them back. This will focus. This is the Ridgid cable, not the plumber tool cable. Somehow I knocked a huge hole in it yesterday. Anyway, I'll do this in real time here. I got my phone in my pocket, so hopefully it stays there. But what I'm going to start with, cut the sheathing. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for who it's for. So, I got a 2-vise set up here. Kid riding around on a 4, but you'll never hear it. Alright, so what I do is just take a little paper towel or something and clean it off a little bit. Don't mind my messy bench. Shit out of the way so it doesn't get super hot. Take some of your flux, which this isn't super liquidy anymore. Still works though. Just put some on there. This basically cleans it and it makes the solder stick. Which this is the solder. What I usually do, I just take maybe like 6 inches or so and get it ready. I take my map gas. Don't like force it to cool down, just kind of let it cool down on its own. Usually what I do, because it takes a couple minutes. In the meantime, I usually go get my tools. All I need is a grinder. What a mess this is, but it's pretty much all he needs, a grinder. But while I'm waiting, I usually dig through here and try to figure out where I put everything. Like my chain I had, where the hell did I put it? Oh, here it is. So while we're waiting for it to cool, take my chain off. There's the bad piece. Tell I got, well, I just got my scrap the other day, but I do this repair constantly. Only on the Ridgid cable. The plumber tool cable doesn't do this. But anywho, it should be cool enough now. Take the grinder. And then usually you gotta take it and clean it up a little bit. This is gonna work this way. It's gonna be super hot, so I usually do, because almost every time you get like that glob of extra solder, which I'd rather have too much than not enough. But I usually take it to this little grinder. Just drained it until the thing fits over it. It'll fit over it now, so it's okay. But clearly it's not enough to put the chain back on, so pretty sure. Look at that here. That's where I normally want it. So I'll just cut it. Then I'll cut. I'm sorry if you can't see this, my phone's in my pocket. And once I got that in there, then you want to cut like your little bushing so it can move without melting. There's that. It moves, and that's the repair. Just ready to go. Want to focus, but just want to make sure that solder fills the whole thing. If it doesn't, you can reheat it and reapply it, but you just don't want to cut it until it's soldered, otherwise it'll fall apart. But yeah, this is for the small one, the K9-102 with a 1/4 inch cable. But that's it.